So in this class, we are going to design this file. This is what we are going to design. I'm going to take you through all the steps one after the other. So I've already sent this design to our various platforms, so you can have them over there. You can have the design over there so that you can try on your own. I'm going to delete this one and restart afresh. So first of all, I'm going to use the shape tools. We are going to use the shape tools to design this thing. So we have rectangle. So let's use the rectangle first. Let's draw the rectangle. Okay. So let's change the background of rectangle to white. Change to white. Let's change the corner radius to 30. Change the corner radius to 30. Let's add some strokes to it. So here is it. So let's draw another rectangle. In the first one. Let's change the corner radius to 20. 20. Let's change the background to blue. Let's use the lighter one. Okay. So let's draw another rectangle over here. Change the corner radius to 10. Also change the color of the background to deep blue. So let's try and draw another rectangle over here. And bring it here a little bit. Let's change the corner radius to 20. Let's change the background to black. Yes, I can also come here a little bit. Okay, so let's draw another rectangle over here by using the rectangle tool. Let's change the corner radius to 10. Change to height. Let's add some strokes to it. Change the color of the strokes to this color. We are using Control C to duplicate, Control C V to duplicate. Okay, let's change color of the strokes to this one. So I have another rectangle we need to draw. Select the rectangle tool. We draw here. We draw by clicking left clicking on the left click and then use the mouse to draw. Let's change the corner radius to 10. Try to duplicate it. So we use Control C to duplicate. Last one, Control C. Then we have small ones. Select the rectangle tool. Draw a small rectangle. Change the corner radius to 10. So let's say 5. Add strokes to it. Use Control C to duplicate. Okay. Let's increase this one a little bit. So I can have some space to complete the work. This one will also come down. Okay, so we also have another rectangle tool. Select the rectangle, then draw another rectangle over here. Change the corner radius to 5. Then change the color. Change the color to blue. So we have another shape we have to draw over here by using a rectangle tool. Change the corner radius to 30. This is 20. Change the background. Let's add strokes first. Increase it to 2. Then we can change the background to pure white. Okay, so from here we can add text. So we use the text tool. Let's increase the size of the text to about 32. And then we'll be using black rather. So we have login. It's somehow too big. So 26. Login is okay. We should have another text we have to add. On this one, we have to decrease the size to about 20. And also, we use semi-bold. We have don't have an account. Register. Since it's too big, we also decrease it about 15. Okay. So let's change the color of the register to blue. We also have email. Decrease the opacity of the image of the email to about 90. Okay, so let's increase. Okay, so we can add a rectangle tool. Select from here and add the rectangle tool. Change the corner radius from the side. Let's increase this a little bit. Let's give it, let's add some strokes to it. Choose some lighter one and change to height. So let's try and duplicate this one. Control C V, Control C V to duplicate. So we have this. You can type password over here. Increase this to 90. Should be in line with the email. Okay. Let's change this to red. Let's increase the strokes to 3. Let's draw some shadows. Okay. 3 is too much, so let's decrease it to 2. And then we are good to go. We have some text to add. Let's add the text over here. So change the color of the text to red. Okay. You can type your email into the rectangle. Let's go. Let's align it well into the middle. You can add some text in the password. You can use ellipse. Then change the color to black. Then Control C V to duplicate. Control C then, Control C then, Control C then, Control C then, Control C then. I'll Control C then so that I can paste. Okay. So let's come to this side. We have to insert some small ellipse. A small one. Let's give it a stroke. Change the color of the stroke to the color to this one. Okay. Pass through 0. Trying to open it a little bit. So now we get okay. Let's go keep now. Change. Small color. Okay. So this one. Okay, so the plan should be in the middle. Okay, so we can now add the text and projects. Perhaps no. And the text. Project. Let's change the color of the project to this one. Okay. And drop some shadows from here. Control CV. Minus on the side. Let's change the color of the stroke. So this one. So I can okay. And the text now. So we have designs. Okay. Also have email over here. Email. Let's change decrease is around 90. Should be in line with okay. So can type my email by using the text tool. So when you select the text tool, click inside the rectangle to be able to type in the rectangle. So Joel, then I'll be able to align it well in the rectangle. Let's change the color of the rectangle to white. The background, we need to add some strokes to it. So I can type my password over here. Let's use this one, Control C. So Control C. Control C. Control C. Control C. Control C. Then yeah, okay. So we have select scales. So once you type over here, select scales. Let's decrease this to 90. Then we share this one top it up. And it should be in line with the email. And the spacing. We also have password over here. Let's change this to 90. Let's try some this one a little bit. So now it will be in line with the email. That's 5. So let's try this one too. Okay. So select skills. We have type of skills. So let's change this to height. Let's add strokes first. We change this one to height. The background a rectangle. Then we can now type. Select rectangle. Then we have type. Search. Type to search. Let's highlight it and reduce the opacity or pass through to about 70. Okay, so we have this one illustration. I use a times tool. I have to select rectangle first. Select this first. Then type and can now type it inside. Also have branding. Branding. Perhaps let's move it up. Let's move it. Okay. Also have create account. We are going to use this one to create account. Let's change the color of the text to white. Okay, so we are good to go. Because we also have some text we have to add over here. We have looking shelves for let's increase this to 90. That should be in line with this one, the email. Okay, 9. Okay. We also have sign up. Let's increase the size to about 24. Then you change it to bold, to black. So here's it. We also have another text. Let's decrease 115. Let's change this to medium. Okay. So I can now move to this part and complete. So we have some text over here. Let me use the change the color to white. Increase this to about 20. Okay. So we have another test. We increase the size to 124. Then we change it to black. So we have start Either white rather. Now start your journey with as a full stop. So now you can increase the font size to about 32, which is good. Let's try and position this one very well. So it's in the middle. Let's try to also shift it to the side so that it will be in line. Also have another text to add. Let's come down here to 15. So color whites. 12. Let's cover words. Was best community of freelancers and business owners. You have to stop. Let's decrease opacity on this to about 70. Let's cancel this part. And then 15, let's change the color to white. Let's close it. So we have simply unbelievable. Uh, um, really satisfied and that non-projects projects and business. Let's try and decrease the font size about 13. Still big. Let's use 10. This absolutely wonderful. So let's try and increase the size to a little bit. Okay, so we can position this one over here. Okay, so we have some small rectangle to draw over here. Let's change the corner radius to about 5. Let's add the name. Let's change this to bytes. So we have humanitarian. We have another test. Let's change it to bytes. You answer. Oh, sorry, I didn't select. So we have to select the rectangle first, then click on test, and click inside. Let's change the color to white. Then we have free answer. Let's position it well. Okay, so we also have some ellipse, some small ellipse to draw right here. Let's use this one's Control C event. Let's change the color to white. Control C event. Control C event. And it will be in line. Let's change and decrease the opacity to about 70. Still showing. Let's change it to okay to this one. Okay, so you're done with this part. So we have to add some text to this one. So first of all, we have to select the rectangle, then select text, then click inside. Let's change the color to white, change the background is already black. Okay, so we have the vector challenge. Let's increase the font size to about 32. So it's too much. Where is 24? Okay. So we have challenge. We have some text beneath this one. Let's change this one to this color. So 15. So challenge. Challenge your friends and put your vector mastery. Stop. Let's increase a little bit. Let's see if it affects this ones. And no, doesn't affect them. Let's try to position this in the middle. Let's also consider resolve it. Okay, so we also have some rectangle to draw over here. Let's change the corner radius to about 5. And also add some strokes to it. Okay, so Control C then duplicate, then increase a little, decrease this one a little bit. Let's change the color to blue. Okay, select text, then type inside. Let's change the color to white. We have HTTP slash list of challenge slash 821 8721 challenge slash 8721. Now to decrease the size of the test to about 10. Use semi-bold. So 12, we do not stop. Let's use 11. 11 is okay. So enter. Okay. Uh, also have to add something over here. I'll share first to hide. Okay, so let's add the icon, share icon. So first of all, let's go to Figma, come to plugins, have icons 8. So let's search for icons. We have share icons. Let's change the color from the side to white. So harmless. So we have this one as share icon. So let's use this one. Let's decrease the size so that it can fit for us. Okay, let's close it. We have another icon we have to add. Okay, let's close it. So let's add some rectangle over here. Over 30, 20. Let's change the color of the background to this one. Okay, let's try and duplicate. We have Control C to duplicate. Let's decrease the size of this a little bit. Okay, so let's try and see if we can get an icon, some plugins to end rectangle. Yes. You can also use the pen to draw some rectangle. Or you can use this one to draw a polygon in it. Change the background. Again, some icons. You know, file. And this one over here. So you can also add some mail icon over here. Let's try to get that one from source comes plugins. We have mail icon. Change the color to background to let's say black. And then only the case so I can fit in it. Okay, so we are good to go. So here's it. Okay, so basically that's the whole step. So please follow the steps and complete the design. When you are done, please forward it to me. And also when you are facing any challenges, you can DM me and I'll be there. I'll be available to assist you. So now I'm going to teach you how to save this thing. First of all, click on the empty space over here. Then you have export. Then you click on export. Then click on export untitled. Click on export. Then you name it. So I'm going to use humanitarian. And where you want to save it, I want to save it on my desktop. Then I save. So now let me open it so that I can see from my desktop. So here is it. So I'm coming to open it for you to see. So here's what we designed. The background space, the white space too small. So let me try and increase the background space a little bit. So first of all, before you start with this one, you have to draw a bigger rectangle where you'll be able to design all these ones in it.